Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Mnawethu Happily Ever After. So guys, this episode opens up with Umashozi. Umashozi guys, uyagoa. She is calling Umamhlongo because ufuna umchazela guys about the situation of uDulasi brought the lost girlfriend that he wants to take as a wife. She wants to utamchazele that whole story. I get. So as she's calling her, you guys, she says in a diary session which she believes ukuthi bobabili yena uMashozi and uMamhlongo bayagoa. I'm like, no, girl, no goayo, because listen, uMamhlongo has accepted her fate. Ukuthi indoda yakhe will forever like aphilele impilo ayiphilayo, guys. So anyway, she called Umamhlongo, and you can hear, guys, when Umamhlongo answers the phone call, the call is so awkward. Umashozi is like unjani, and then Umamhlongo is like ngiyaphila. You know that type of thing, ukuthi umuntu like you asking them ukuthi unjani wena, and the person doesn't even say ukuthi wena unjani, like how are you, like as if they say ukuthi umfonelelani, like get to the point ukuthi ufunani. Then we hear Umamhlongo saying ukuthi ngakusiza ngani. You can see ukuthi vele uMamhlongo was not expecting that phone call. But in her diary session, uMamhlongo was like, mina I was surprised because ugeli mina nogeli vele sishilo ukuthi we are no longer friends. Manje why nje kumfonelelani. And one thing about uMamhlongo, like when she's in front of Umashozi, she'll just act decent. But in a diary session, she makes it clear ukuthi vele, like they don't get along, and that I'm phony. Anyway, Umashozi, she ends the call by saying ukuthi ukephi girl wenzani, and then uMamhlongo says ngizihlalele nje ekhaya, I'm not doing anything. Then Umashozi says ukuthi ngiyeza lapho ngayindawo, I'm coming over there. Kusho ukuthi le ndaba imshisa ngaleyo ndlela, guys, ukuthi it needs face to face, not over the phone. Anyway, guys, we see Udiaz comes with his BMW, parks it in front of Samantha's house. I remember, guys, but this house that Samantha's living in, is it not Diaz's house? So Danisa, I feel like if he wants to speak anything, because he always says he doesn't want agafuni nexi that it has to do with anything with Diaz, he must firstly buy Samantha indlu, because at the moment Samantha umkakhe is staying in Diaz's house. Diaz comes in, you guys, Samantha's baby is so cute, you guys. You can see ifana no Diaz and ifana no Samantha, but has taken Samantha's complexion. Diaz megangena, guys, he doesn't even kiss the child, hug the child, nothing. Samantha says to the child, iti ya Diaz, and then ingane vele iti ya Diaz. Hey, Diaz aphetanga next esandleni, guys. I know maybe uyayithumela imali, guys, or something, but siyarecorda lana, let her something, let her madanoni, like pretend anyana for ama camera, because it just does not look good, guys, when you're coming by and your child is there. You don't kiss your child, you don't hug your child, you don't even try and umdlalisa ingane or umphathele something. Guys, that's all for me. But Samantha does say, which she can't say, which Diaz is a hands-on father, but she says that with Diaz, when she needs him, he does help her with the things that he needs to help her with. Samantha chazela uqondanisa ukuthi achazela uDiaz ukuthi phela uqondanisa came by recently, and then Diaz is like, what was Kondanisa coming to do here? Then Samantha says, begazoxolisa and stuff. And then she goes on to tell Diaz, and Diaz, you know, obviously, whatever you've done is not right. And then Diaz abuzeke uthi uqondanisa usakhuluma indaba, like the same ndaba yokuthi mela ahlawule and whatnot. And Samantha's like, yes, emaqinisweni, I am no longer uMazibuko. So that means ukuthi wena nomndeni wakho mele niye Kondanisa's family and do right by them nihlawule le. And Diaz is like, mina, I won't do that. I won't do that. I will not go and shawula because I will not go to Kondanisa's family and apologize because mina angibazi laba bantu baziwa wuwe. So mina if I have to bring my family ukuthi bazoxolisa ngizobaletha lana. Hi bo baletha lana kanjani because this is even your house to start off with. Uthi uzobaletha lana then uSamantha yena it's her responsibility ukuthi abize Kondanisa's family. Kodwa he said ukuthi ungangifaki lapha angeni kwizinto zika Kondanisa and his family. I'm like uyangena because you knew that is someone's wife. Okay, Samantha says in a diary session ukuthi uDiaz vele he did want ukuthi ingane ithathe isibongo sakhe but uSamantha yena she refused because mela hlawule uDiaz. I'm like namanje okay ingane. Oh but uDiaz angithi if uyayihlawula ingane guys like a lot of traditions that he needs to start with. He needs to go to Ukondanisa's family because quite technically that's where Samantha belongs because she was married by that family. Then uDiaz goes on to say ukuthi uKondanisa needs to learn a lesson ukuthi wena ungalobola umfazi bese uvumela umfazi wakho ukuthi ahlale nomngani. There is a guy. Hayi mele afunde isifundo. uSamantha ahleke guys athi hayi bo so kusho ukuthi wena bomfundisa isifundo ngami. uDiaz is like hayi bo ngeke ushiye ikhadi nogundwane and then expect nothing to happen. uSamantha ahleka athi hayi bo kusho ukuthi wena ikhadi and yimina igundwane, making fun out of that. I'm like the way uSamantha was even laughing and so giggling with Diaz. I'm just like I don't trust these two guys. I feel like these two, remember Samantha what she said with Tiana? Even if Diaz has a person in his life, the girl needs to know she will always be part of Diaz's life. Like she's got this confidence ukuthi like megafuna ukubuyela with Diaz, she can. So I don't trust these two ukuthi like merahleka enjalo. It just seems like if she wanted to get a snack or if they wanted to snack one another, it seems like it would be very much possible. Anyway, Samantha in her diary session says ukuthi yena no Diaz bazamile upusha a relationship, you guys, but it did not work out. So now they're just sticking to co-parenting. Okay, next thing guys, we see uMashozi ngempela. She gets to a orange farm. Afite umamshongo is standing outside nosisi wakhe angazi ukuthi abomakhelwane that they were standing with or whatnot. But anyway, Mashozi afika bingelele and then the friends or the people who are standing there compliment uMashozi ukuthi waze wamuhle and whatnot. Then uMamhlongo says awunawethu phela lona, and then she says uMamhlongo says to uMashozi ukuthi asingene cause kuyabanda. Bangene now they sitting on the bed ingathi they were best friends, you guys. I'm like yazi uMashozi, she always has a big mouth and whatnot. Now that she is going because she finally feels the pain of now being not replaced but of a woman coming after you. All along she was fine at Delela and whatnot. Now she wants to bond no Mamhlongo over into that is hurting her. Mashozi says ukuthi ayi drama after drama phela. Phela bangilethela uMashezi. uMashezi is the lost girlfriend. Bangilethela uMashezi. And then yeah, she says bangilethela uMashezi and uDulasi ungichazela ukuthi the reason why he brought back uMashezi back into his life is because wena wahlukana naye. And then uMamhlongo was like, bese wena like uyakuvuma lokho, do you really agree with that? Angazi ukuthi uMamhlongo ukuthi yini ayiphikayo because we all know ukuthi she dumps uDulasi whenever, or in the past rather, before iloboled her, she would dump him whenever she wants to, get back with him whenever she wants to. So angazi ukuthi yini ayiphikayo when she's saying ukuthi she never broke up with uDulasi for uDulasi to take uMashezi. But anyway, these men will use any excuse to welcome a girlfriend in, even if it means it lying. uMamhlongo in her diary session, guys, uyahleka, she's laughing and she's saying obviously uMashozi angeke amthande uMashezi because uMashozi she wants to be him. She wants to be number one all the time. So uMashozi is here to tell uMamhlongo ukuthi akamfuni uMashezi and whatnot and all of that. And I'm just like, go bye. Like, ayikho indaba yakho. Now you must face it because angithi someone else went through the same pain. Why? And you wena wamkholela uDulasi ukuthi uqedile ngawe. So you must go through it. I am Mamhlongo-ke achaze-ke ukuthi hayi phela uDulasi, he came to see me that day. Bekazangibona ngimtshelile ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi he went to Wisangoma in she's explaining that last week's scene, and then she says ukuthi then uDulasi, after me telling him ukuthi I had a miscarriage, he went on to tell me what he wants me to meet his girlfriend and whatnot. Then uMashozi says, phela, he told me that. And she goes on to say ukuthi la mantombazane aseGoli phela ayayithanda meeting. She goes on to say ukuthi uzothola ukuthi uDulasi he slept wayixoxela le ngane waxoxela uMashezi ukuthi wena ukhulele, then uGally went ahead and did her things. I'm just like, hayibo girl, such a big accusation on national TV. You know what's the funny thing? Ukuthi the girls from Emma Farmer, guys, they normally say ukuthi amantombazana aseGoli ayaloya. Then the ones alana, they say the same thing. So guys, and you know one thing I've realized, umuntu that normally likes accusing people of stuff, I normally say ukuthi kusho ukuthi now uyayenza. Why ucabangela umuntu into engaka unless you know ukuthi wena you're capable of doing it? Because for me, I'm just like, into engaka. I get uMashozi goes on to say ukuthi phela mina in her diary session, she says phela mina from the time I started dating uDulasi, I started having phuma makauva, guys, phuma like pimples on my face, and vele mina I was not the type of person that had problem with pimples on my face. She says ukuthi she started getting that once she dated uDulasi. She didn't even know which was kumndenakhe ati like what's the problem, because she didn't know what the problem is. And for real, guys, do you remember when we first started seeing her, we knew ukuthi bekanenkinga, like there was something we could see with her face which she had pimples. So she is saying ukuthi maybe it's uDulasi's girlfriends ajola nabo eGoli. She goes on and says to uMamhlongo ukuthi shuthi girl ukuthi like all of our lives are in danger now that uThabisile sekafikile. I'm like, ayibo ihappening ngaka. Why you blaming girl? Blame indoda yakho. Indoda yakho yiyo ethanda imithi. Indoda yakho yiyo that regularly goes to seeing izangoma. Aida uMamhlongo, and in her diary station, she says ukuthi she doesn't believe that. She doesn't believe ukuthi uMashezi is responsible for her miscarriage. Like she doesn't believe that. But she did not say that to uMashozi's face. uMashozi basically says ukuthi mina angimdingi uMashezi, angimdingi nje like around me. And uMamhlongo says, hayi, even if awumdingi kuyafana ukuthi indoda yakho ilala naye phinde izolala nawe. So whatever that girl has, he comes and puts it in you. I'm just like, hey bo. Anyway, guys, we see uSithobo again. uMamthunu has brought uKondanisa to see uSkim GP. Guys, niyamazi uSkim GP. If you don't know him, there's a YouTube channel called uSkim GP. This guy that went to prison, bekadume lama heist, manje sekasindisiwe type of thing. He does amatalki promoting, I don't know, like speaking against crime and GBV and all of that. So I'm wondering ukuthi ayibo uSithobo waletha uKondanisa lana, like what's going on? Mebangena-ke uSithobo hugs uSkim GP, she hugs him. Uyababona ukuthi bayazwana-ke. uKondanisa says in his diary session ukuthi hayibo waqala ngokuhagwana lana, akazi ukuthi mina ngilethwe lana ukuthi ngizobheka ihagi or what, but he was offended that uSithobo was hugging uSkim GP. Ayike moqalwa inkulumo-ke uSkim GP says, okay, yes my daughter, He says, yes, my daughter. Then Usthogo goes on to say, ngoba ngiyingane yakho, ngoba ngumntwana wakho. And then I'm just looking at Ukondanisa's facial expression, guys. He is so confused because Uskim GP is like, yes, my daughter. And then Usthogo is like, yes, ngiyingane yakho, umntwana wakho, whatnot. I'm just like, what's going on here? It looks like a spiritual son, my papa type of situations going on. But Usthogo in her diary station, she says Uskim GP, he has an organization or a foundation that fights against gender-based violence. So Usthogo ungaphansi kwakhe, and that's why he called her my daughter, and yena she calls him ukuthi ubaba wakhe because of the organization abayenzayo. Hayi, Usthogo goes on to say ukuthi uKondanisa phela uze emqasheni wami wangithreatenisha wangitshela ukuthi yena he's got eyes all over, plus yena he will enter emqasheni wami whenever he wants to. I was so surprised ukuthi Usthogo ulethe uKondanisa for this. I was confused. Didn't you say you don't want to guy manje? Like, why are you guys at some therapy session? I uKondanisa in his diary session says ukuthi he was surprised, you guys. And uvele wathula wabuka wanalela, but he didn't even know he was surprised ngalento Usthogo ayishoyo. So goes on to say ukuthi phela mina ngilethe uKondanisa lana so that angayiphindi lento, this thing that he has done to me, threatening me, and he thinks it's okay to tell a woman ukuthi mina phela I've got eyes all over. That is a threat. And vele guys, it is a threat. Kondanisa doesn't see that. She says ukuthi angayiphindi, the way he treats her, he must not repeat that type of behavior to any other woman. But ke uMamkhulu goes on to say ukuthi okunye that really hurts her is that Kondanisa, he had a kid outside of their marriage, which means that yena he doesn't use protection, which means that all these girls that he goes around sleeping with and then comes and sleep back with her, kusho ukuthi naye uSithogo ulala nabo la mantombazana. So I don't know how to take it because I'm like, that means maybe Usthogo has hope for this relationship to work. It could be that, or it could be number two, she's saying, yes, ngiyakuyeka, kodwa mengingiyeka, I want you to know, kabanzi, ukuthi ngikushiyelani, and I want you to be assisted so that at the end of the day, when you go into the next relationship, you don't do these things. You know, ukuthi they're not azikho right. So uKondanisa, he took it ukuthi ngendlela yokuthi kusho ukuthi uSithogo, she still cares for me, that's why engilethe lana and whatnot. But that one was an interesting thing to see. But for me, guys, in all honesty, I think it's nice that she did that, but I just felt like she kind of did that for Ubugwa. I don't want to lie, because I felt like all this time, why hasn't she done that if she really had hope in their marriage? Like, why is she bringing him here? But again, maybe it's part of her healing, guys. Angaz. So who am I to judge or to speak on that? Anyway, we see Udiaz. Udiaz is making a phone call to Kondanisa, guys, and he's telling Kondanisa, Nalela, I want us to meet up. Yo, Kondanisa is so mad when he hears a phone in which Udiaz long phone live. But Udiaz says he wants ukuthi yena noKondanisa for them to meet up. And then uKondanisa says, okay, it's fine, we'll meet up tomorrow. Okay, guys. Then uThabisile is umamkhulu kaSandiso. But I noticed ukuthi uThabisile shares, is her surname also Shezi, guys? Because I noticed ukuthi uDulasi's youngest girlfriend has the same names. So I don't know if that was an error. I'll double check that. But anyway, she's out and about nomnganakhe, utshela umnganakhe phela uSandiso bekangikhiphile. Athe he's there to apologize kanti ulethe umamncane, and she's like, umamncane kabani, you know? And then umngani there is like, hey, umngani, the way umngani was speaking for uThabisile and basically saying ukuthi mngani ngabe ungibizile lapho, ngabe ungibizile bengizoyenza idrama laphayana. And I'm thinking, yazi as umngani, guys, into yabantu abayi-2 ayingenwa. Just tell your friend ukuthi I'm here to support you regardless of what decision. Don't take sides, because tomorrow when things go right, she'll be profiling to indoda yakho ukuthi phela uSibanisibani wawangitshela ukuthi yena akakuthandisisi ini and whatnot. I can But anyway, ugirl says ukuthi yena uThapsile says to a friend ukuthi phela uGuy went on national TV and said ukuthi yena remember uSandiso when he brought Umseleki, we said ukuthi he wants to take the lost wife uMahadebe ukuthi she must go and stay because there's a vacant home or vacant house enganamuntu mawakhe or something like that. So Thabisile is like, I leyo reason ayikho nje. He was just lying to the whole world, making an excuse. Kodwa mina mngani angishadanga and angiziboni ngishada, so I shouldn't even be stressing myself. One thing I said about Thabisile, she's gathering her friends, gathering everyone. One. I'm just like, girl, just leave. Just leave. Guys, we see uSandiso meeting up with a girl called Ucebile. Hi, Bo. But Ucebile, girlfriend yakhe, guys. Ucebile says, yena no Sandiso, they've been dating for 3 years. Guys, is this not the same Ucebile? Remember in the reunion, uMahadebe said, when uLinda asked ukuthi bayilobolile ingane in how are you and uSandiso doing, uMahadebe said ukuthi phela mina ngithole message from a girl efonini kaSandiso from a girl othiwa uCebile, and when uLinda asked uSandiso ngoCebile, he said ukuthi hayi uCebile umngani, she's not my girlfriend. Manje we seeing him meeting up nanoCebile that we heard about in the reunion. I get, guys, and look, girl Muhen, that girl is pretty, you guys. I'm just like, what do these girls want from Musandi? So I understand. Maybe I better, guys. Or I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, but we ice cream dates, guys. That time, yeah, bandang apparently yet they're having ice cream date. So Tobil is like, I got that now not timing like lang tengelu ice cream banda. And then Sandy's like, I am a typical Zulu guy. And then Ukel's like, but you could have asked, ask. Don't just buy into ungabuzanga and trying to be romantic. Bahlale phansi ke. uSandiso goes on to say ukuthi ay phela like uyazi ukuthi kunomamkhulu and kunomamncane. Ayibo ugirl says umamncane wakuphi, you've never explained ukuthi kunomamncane. Umamncane ovelaphi? I'm like uSandiso guys namanga. Hayi shame. Ugirl in her diary station she said when they started ukujwala everything was going well. Uvele uSandiso wamtshela ukuthi unomamkhulu and she accepted it. But she said as time went on she saw ukuthi hayi uGuy abanalo iqiniso. So Guy is making it seem, because I feel like for the camera's sake, he was making it seem ukuthi like he told uCebile about umamncane. And uCebile was like, she did not follow on with that like guy. She was like, Ayibo, azange ungitshela ukuthi kunomamncane ini like futhi wena unenga, like do you even have a child with this woman? Sandiso says nomamkhulu asinayo ingane kodwa umamncane sinayo ingane. She is so surprised, you guys, and she's like, Ayibo wena ngale age ukuyizongitshela ukuthi ufuna abafazi abathathu. Like, what nonsense is that? You never told me that. But in a diary session, uGirl says ukuthi vele iyangihetha le ndaba yokuthi umamncane has a child. Kodwa ke like, ayibo anginandaba nayo, like anginandaba naleyo ntombazana. So it seems like uGirl manje uCebile, she only recognizes umamkhulu. She says in a diary session ukuthi if uSandiso uyaqhubeka nomamncane, I am out. So uSandiso says in his diary station ukuthi if uCebile doesn't agree, then ngizomqambela amanga sekazobona phambili. So I think uCebile just wants to be made number 2. I think she just wants to be made number 2. That's the only thing she's fighting over. I'm just like, yazi unokhuzana uMahadebe usenkingeni, because it could be that umamkhulu and this Cebile girl could bahlangane nguMahadebe ukuthi uMahadebe akafuneki. Kanti uMahadebe, she's the one ozane uSandiso, and uSandiso, she maybe does love her because the way he's been fighting for her, guys. But uCebile is asking a whole lot of questions. She ends up saying ukuthi uzokhuluma-ke nomndeni wami, and yeah, ukuthi umndeni wami uthini. Kusho ukuthi maybe her umndeni wakhe uvumile ukuthi she must be in a relationship as long as there's one wife. Now that there's a second one, and that time uSandiso akazi ukuthi not only is uMahadebe present, he is planning on paying lobola for her, and he paid inhlawulo for ingane yakhe, you guys. Then anyway ke uGuy achaze-ke uSandise achaze ukuthi amaplani ami ukuthi ngiyoqedelela umamkhulu ilobola then ngithathe umamncane uMahadebe ngimthathe kahle then sengiyabulungisele-ke wena. So I don't know ukuthi kuzohamba njani kodwa ugel ucebile looks like she's not going anywhere. I'm like, such a pretty girl. What does she want from this guy? Last scene, guys, we see uDiaz and uKondanisa meeting up. Unokozana, Ukondanisa, he looks scared, you guys. They're meeting up at a public place in a park. And Diaz ends up apologizing. He apologizes and says that, listen, what I did with Samantha was a mistake. Hi, Kondanisa says, "Angiyabuza, but you need to apologize in front of my whole family." Diaz says, "Ukuthi angikwazi, I can't apologize in front of your family. Samantha's the one who should apologize in front of your family because mina, I don't know your family. While if ngiyafika laphayana then ngihlanganele, then you guys hit me. Then Kondanisa is like, no, that won't happen and whatnot." But anyway, Kondanisa says, hey, wena Diaz umoshile. That umoshile, and I don't want, if Samantha abuyela like him, I don't want wena no Samantha nihlangana nje. I don't want you guys to meet. Then Udiaz says we won't meet because sinengane, like ingane incane, like angikwazi ukuhamba nengane engekho mawayo because the child is fairly young. Unless ke wena Kondanisa ukuthi singahamba singabiza ke uhambe nathi mesiyothenga impahla or whatnot. I'm like, the way Kondanisa is so selfish, you guys. He doesn't want anything to do with Diaz. Did he not say that he doesn't want anything to do with Samantha's child? So he wants Samantha back. Akayifuni ingane ya Samantha. Then on top of that, akafuni ukuthi Diaz must like be next to Samantha. He's saying ukuthi if ufuna ukuhlangana nengane, hlangana nogogo wayo, and that's how you will meet the child. I'm like, usangene lo. If he wants to accept to Samantha, if he really wants to Samantha, he needs to accept ukuthi Diaz will always be part of his life because Diaz unengane no Samantha, you guys. But that's the recap of the latest episode, you guys. Tell me what you guys think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.